Flat left and right 3, medium. Into left 3, open into crest. Left 3, long, bumpy, 40. Left 4 into right 4. And left 4 tightens over crest into right 4 tightens. Into right 1. Into left 3 tightens. Into right 3 short 40. Left 3 don't cut. Into right 4 don't cut 40. Caution, don't cut, chicane right, short, 40, left 1 short into right 1. And left 5 short, 30. Right 4 tightens 3, narrows, don't cut, 30. Caution, right 3, 30. Right 5, hard brake for acute hairpin left, 30. Left 5 tightens, hard brake for hairpin right at junction. And right 5, hard brake for acute hairpin left, don't cut. Left 5, brake for right 3, 3 in. And left 5, brake for square right, 30. Left 4 short, narrows into right 5 long. And left 5, 70. Left 3, narrows, 40. Right 5 into left 6, brake over crest, 30. Into left 5 short, into right 2, don't cut, 40. Left 4 tightens 3, 3 out into gates over crest. Into right 4 over crest and left 3. And right 5 into left 3 over bump. And right 3 tightens long, 70. Brake for acute hairpin left. And flat left into right 5. And left 4 into canyon. Into right 3, medium. Brake, tightens square right, 30. And left 6, tightens 5. Into right 4 and right 3, tightens, don't cut. For finish.